This is quiz 2.06, example 1. So what is the missing statement and reason to correctly complete the flowchart and proof? Alright, so our missing statement and reason is here. So, and we see that after that it becomes line segment BC is congruent with line segment DE. And then we see that BC, the measure of line segment BC equals the measure of line segment AD. And then the measure of line segment AD equals the measure of line segment DE. So, the transitive property of equality says that if two things are equal to the same thing, they're equal to each other. So BC is equal to AD and DE is also equal, but their measures are equal. This says the actual line segments are congruent, and these two down here say that the measures are equal. So this is the transitive property of equality, and we have to choose the one that has the measures of, because that's what's being combined, the measures of these two things. So these two can't be it because those are saying that the line segments are congruent. This combines that the line segments are equal. So, and then we have symmetric property, which is not it, it's the transitive property.